ProQual Landscaping has been in business for just over 15 years. We focus on landscape management services. We've started with 10 trucks and now we're up to over 85 vehicles. Our fleet is our largest asset. If they're down, we're not working, and that's why we need Fleetio. Honestly, we looked at several options out there and Fleetio was by far the best. What I like about Fleetio is the transparency. I love that it empowers my team to make decisions and track and schedule services like we never had the opportunity to do before.
When I started at ProQual 4 years ago, I started picking up tasks here and there, and now I do a lot of our fleet stuff. I do our software implementation. It's just a blast with all the different things that I get to do.
Prior to Fleetio, we used a variety of software services and spreadsheets. We were spending way too much time on repairs. We had a high vehicle downtime. There were no communications between the guys in the shop and the guys in the field, and it was next to impossible to get ahead of it. Our goal with Fleetio was to change from a reactive maintenance plan to a proactive maintenance plan. We got a good schedule together that allowed us to keep our vehicles on the road. And because of Fleetio, we were able to save 33% in the first half of this year to the first half of last year. When we were implementing, the Fleetio team made it so easy. We were able to bulk upload things and put in the fine details of our assets and just get it up and running. Fleetio brings our whole team together. It takes the guessing game out of the maintenance. Our mechanics know when it's supposed to be out, our field supervisors know when it's going to be out, and everybody knows when it's supposed to be back in.
It may seem like a hindrance to bring a vehicle in, but it can catch things before it becomes catastrophic, becomes major, costing us the really, really big bucks. We have a standard 13-point inspection which we perform on every vehicle and truck that comes through our doors. Anything, simple to walking around the vehicle. You want to give a visual inspection, take a look at the body, making sure things look clean, making sure that things that may have been missed, such as latches, lights being broken, wipers, minor cracks here, little chips here, stuff that maybe some might not even know that it's broken. This is part of why we have this standard inspection items to overlook. Not only have we now taken Fleetio, used it for our vehicle maintenance, but we're now starting to incorporate some of our equipment maintenance. So we're bringing in anything from gator riding around carts to some of our chippers, basically anything that needs maintenance. We're able now to figure out ways to stamp a tracker on it and put it into Fleetio and use that and make it work for us,
We want to make sure that we're not only functioning in a very high level, but we also want to make sure that the equipment's looking the best as possible. And we want to make sure that our fleet and equipment is at the highest standard.